Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Install Frameo and sign in so your identity is ready. Once done, power on the frame and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network or display the pairing code. Next, open the app, choose Add Frame, and enter that code or scan the QR. This links the device to your account. Make sure to name the frame so you can recognize it later. These initial steps let you send photos securely and avoid repeating setup. You now focus on getting content right. Select photos from your gallery, crop or rotate them inside Frameo to control composition. Once edited, add a short caption so viewers get context. Make albums for events or routines, and use tags to control playback order. Before you hit send, check upload quality and data settings. Higher quality uses more bandwidth. When you send, the app queues images and transfers them over Wi-Fi, so make sure the frame stays online until you finish by reviewing permissions and confirming shared invites so guests can send content. Then set the slideshow preferences, duration per photo, playback order, brightness, and a sleep schedule to save power. Once configured, monitor incoming uploads and clear or archive older photos as needed. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart both the app and the frame, verify they share the same Wi-Fi, and re-enter the pairing code if necessary. This resolves most connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.